to learn. Let me give me that. I guess today we're going to learn how to make an airplane like this. Zoom. Like this and everything. But I'm going to take a corner, pull the corner down. That. And today, hello, Drew. Hey, stop it. Hey, don't do that. So remember we're going to show you how to make that corn thing next vloggies. So see you